Hi, and welcome to my 7th set of book critiques. For this set of book critiques, I decided to focus on realistic fiction, and these are stories that are within the realm of possibility and have events that could occur in real life. There are many different types of stories that fit underneath this genre, and I will discuss these as I go through my critique. The first book is called Ramona and Her Father by Beverly Cleary, illustrated by Jacqueline Rogers, and this is a Newbery Honor book. In this book of the Ramona Quimby series, Ramona's father loses his job, and she decides to help him in any way she can. I think this could be classified as a family story, as it depicts an average middle-class family and their struggles with everyday life. The second book is called The Penderwicks, a summer tale of 4 sisters, 2 rabbits, and a very interesting boy, by Jeannie Birdsall, and this won the National Book Award. In this book, a widowed father takes his 4 daughters for a summer vacation to the grounds of a beautiful estate. There, the sisters meet and befriend the son of the estate owner, and have many summer adventures together. I would classify this as a family and friendship story for grades 3 through 7, and I think this book could be used, when coming back from summer break, to spark discussion among students about what they did over their summers. The third book is Because of Winn-Dixie by Kate DiCamillo, and this is a Newbery Honor book. One day, the main character goes to the local supermarket, and along with the groceries brings home a dog called Winn-Dixie. This dog helps her to make friends and get up the courage to ask her father about her mother, who left when she was very young. I would classify this as a realistic animal story, alternative family and friendship story. I think students could relate to this story if they have had pets in the past that are very important to them as well. The fourth book is called Bridge to Terabithia by Katherine Patterson, illustrated by John Diamond, and this won the Newbery Medal and is an ALA notable book. In the story, Jess and Leslie form a fast friendship over running races in school. They invent an imaginary world called Terabithia. However, one day Leslie goes to Terabithia without Jess, and a terrible tragedy occurs. The story is about what Jess must do when he has to deal with this situation. For this reason, I would call it a moral choices story and realistic friendship novel. My feature book for this set of book critiques is called Holes by Louis Sachar, and this won the Newbery Medal and the National Book Award. In this book, Stanley is sent to Camp Green Lake, a boys' detention center where they spend all day every day digging holes. The boys discover that the warden of the camp is actually looking for something, and they set out to find out what is buried beneath the lake. For this reason, I would classify it also as a survival and mystery story. This book could be used in a content area math lesson about geometric concepts such as volume, circumference, area, and perimeter, because in the story, the boys must dig holes that are exactly 5 feet wide and 5 feet deep. Using the tool Geometer Sketchpad, students could visualize and draw these geometric figures and find out different things like the volume and perimeter. Here's a resource to learn more about Geometer Sketchpad. The second content area lesson is science, as the story is set in the desert climate and contains many descriptions of the plants and animals in that climate. I would have students research different climates and biomes and create a poplet of their findings. I have an example of a poplet here on the desert climate, including description and facts, plants, and animals. Using this tool, students can collaborate on the same poplet and include pictures and videos. This poplet also contains a presentation tool, where students can record and present their voices to share with others. They can also download their poplet as a PDF or a JPEG. Thank you for watching this set of book critiques. You can explore more at my website below, and I'll see you next week.